Welcome to my class. Continuing on with Unit 2, collection of data, and in that we were doing questionnaire. And in the last class we talked about what are the qualities of a good questionnaire. And in that we talked about what was known as a covering letter. Now what is a covering letter? We're going to just talk about that and how do you draft, or what should you write in a covering letter? So, which is very important. Before you even open the questionnaire, it's important to know that who are you, why are you doing it, what is your purpose, and which is the company that is conducting the survey and for what purpose. So, just look at this. So, for example, suppose we made a specimen. I've given a specimen of the covering letter, and suppose an example, an inquiry into the living standards or standard of living of the single unmarried working females of an area. Okay, so I write in the covering letter, dear resident, we are inviting you to participate in this short survey to gain views of residents living in this area. So this is in view of improving the safety of the women of the area. Now, your views will be appreciated and will help us decide to apply for funding from the say private or the government or the non-governmental organizations. Now the questions in the questionnaire should take you not more than say 5 minutes. An important thing that you have to write is that your answers will be treated in the strictest confidence. No individual address or household will be identified in the survey. And then you give your name, your name, your address if you want to give the name of the organization and all of that. So covering letter is so important for you, and then you can draft, even while making the covering letter, you can change it according to whatever is the subject of inquiry. So in this, what is important is, again, one more important thing. You must introduce yourself, make the aims and objectives of the survey clear to the informant. It's not necessary that you write it just like this. You can also make your changes. And the informant should be assured that whatever the information that the person is given there will be strictly confidential. So it helps you. After this, we do the covering letter. We can also talk about, say, a specimen of a questionnaire. Okay, so that we'll do in the next class.